Excuse me, holy shit. This guy can't snipe because he's got a helmet. Still looking. Excuse me, holy shit. Damn, bro. ADC got mad of the match. Thank you, Span.